Here are 9 things that I've observed while I was looking at the rosters para sa Cebol National Qualifiers para sa Asian Games ngayon at bukas. Number 1, wala ang Aurora. Hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo yung sinabi ni Coach MTB dun sa live niya, pero ang rason kung bakit hindi sila sumali ay dahil banned pa daw si Yue. Ang reason daw dahil banned si Yue is because nung nakaraang qualifiers, he didn't make it in time, kaya nawala yung buong team. Mukhang ganun yata sila ka-strict. Number 2, mukhang ila-line up na nila si Teddy Cutie para sa Team Liquid Philippines. Parte si Teddy Cutie ng Team Liquid Academy, and for some reason, hindi nila ila-line up si Daiki. Di ba gold laner siya? But this is like a great opportunity para kay Teddy Cutie para magpakitang gilas. Make or break to para sa kanya. Pangatlo ay sa Onyx Philippines. Dahil bawal din si Savero because he's Indonesian, si Kelra pa rin ang lalaro. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagana yung logistics-wise, pero at least we're gonna be seeing the Super Prime Super Fam once again para i-reclaim yung kanilang spot in being the national team representatives under Coach Hayes Bataanon. Pang-apat ay kasali din ng mga MDL Season 6 champions. Yung Rough World era, nakasama sina Matt, sina West, sina Reggie. Hindi ko man nabanggit yung iba pero sila yung pinakamalakas sa MDL last season. They're gonna be testing things out. Pumalag naman yung Onyx 9 Lives nung sila yung nasa qualifiers last year. Baka kaya din gawin ng Rough World era yun. Pangapat ay sa Team Falcons. Si Coach Vren na magiging head coach nila para sa Cebol National Qualifiers at hindi si Coach Ducky. This is probably because na-announce na si Coach Ducky na supporting coaches ng Cebol team. So since may assignment na sila for the future, kaya siguro naging matik na si Coach Vren yung head coach nila. Panglima, may kasali ding school. I see names like FEU, I see names like Pylon. I wish them the best of luck. This is gonna be great experience for them. Sumali yung NU last year sa Cebol Qualifiers. Hindi man sila naging successful pero sobrang dami nila naging experience. To the point na yung mga campus tournaments ay talaga minamaw nila ng 2025. Maybe FEU and Pylon's doing the same. Ang susunod ay ang Dewa United PH. Well, it's nice to know that Dewa is finally here at kasali din sila sa MDL. Tapos kasama pa nila si John Lloyd Cruz. Ano ba IGN ni John Lloyd? Tsaka nasan si Shaq? And then there's also Twisted Minds na apparently hindi si Kaloy ang naka-line up kundi si Tracy na naglalaro para sa Keep Gaming sa China. This is actually a surprise for me kasi si Kaloy fresh off SEA Games siya bilang isang gold medalist. And I wonder where he is kasi si Tracy yung lalaro sa wrong position. At syempre last but definitely not the least, meron din tayong mga female competitors all under Vren Esports. It's happy that we're including them in this. Malalaman nila yung power levels nila, ano pang kailangan nilang i-improve, and it gives them a fair shot of actually competing. Good luck sa lahat ng teams.